Okay, go get some water. camera?
You can try if you wish. It's not easy.
Hi, what's the problem?
Flat tire. I just can't get the nuts loose.
Well, may I have a go?
Sure, sure. Thanks a lot. I just don't know what I would have done if it wasn't for you.
Well, I've got a long way to go. Is it possible I can get a ride with you?
Sure, Padre. Come on, let's go. You know, Padre, this road is endless. It seems to go on forever.
Well, how far are you going?
Richard, and where are you going? Have you been walking long?
Just a couple of days. I had a motorbike, but I had an accident. I hurt my leg. I had to walk all the way.
Then it was your luck who had a flat tire.
That's right. But all is planned by the Almighty.
You haven't said where you're going yet, Padre.
Charlesville. It's a long way to go. Where is your husband?
My husband's dead. He died way back. Steve was only 3. And Johan was just a baby. You live in Charlesville?
Yeah.
You're lucky. But you got home before us. It's a long way from Mitchell to Charlesville. I did this trip of Vermont.
Can't you sell your goods in Mitchell?
You can, but you get only half the price there.
Stop here.
What's the meaning of all this?
Just do as I say. You just drive on. Otherwise your son's head will be blown off.
You deceived us.
Just drive on.
But what do you want from us?
Look, just hand me the keys. Just give me the keys. Get out.
Can you tell me what you want from us? We can't waste any time.
You're not going anywhere. I need you with me.
I want an explanation.
Well, I have a daughter who's very ill. And I need somebody to look after her. My wife left me, with my best friend. She went off with my best friend.
But I have nothing to do with it. Even I have 2 sons, and I have to look after them. What did you do to your wife to make her run away from you?
Nothing. She never wanted to stay here. She just wanted to go and live in a town. That's her. That's my daughter. Come and see her. I said, come on and see her. Come on.
Look, I have a proposition for you.
Tell me.
Not far from where I live, there's a home run by the fathers. They look after children like yours. They take good care of them. And she won't need anything. Why not take her there?
Your idea is good. But she's all I've got. She's my only daughter. She's all I have left. Now you look after her for me. Otherwise, none of you will leave here alive.
Being a mother myself, I can understand you. But listen to me. If you take her to that home, she'll be all right. She'll have people to look after her and to cure her, believe me. What's wrong?
I'm having another attack. I think I'm going to die.
No, don't panic. Don't panic. Is there a doctor nearby?
No. It will be too late. Look at here. Yeah. I want you to do me a favor. Big favor. I want you to look after my daughter Greta. Take her to the house. The house, he said.
Leave it to me. Have courage. What's your name?
Name? My name? Bill Courtney.
Bill? Bill? He's dead.
What are you going to do, Mama?
There's only one thing to do, son. I get some tools and we lay him to rest.